or just be walking downtown looking for crime. Hello everyone, today we are going to be building our own retractable Wolverine claws. We're going to be using some pneumatic pumps attached to our forearms to replicate the motion of the Wolverine claws extending. Pneumatic bite.
Pneumatic bite.
Pneumatic actuator.
Pneumatic. Okay, what does this do?
Basically controls the gas through the pumps, so it either pumps it out or it pumps it back.
Got you.
Pure aluminum.
Yep.
And these are just.
You mean adamantium?
Adamantium.
Yes, we just happen to have a square of adamantium right here.
I just finished designing the rest of the components for the mounts. This is what we have. This is going to be the main mount that mounts the bracket to our forearm. Just finished 3D printing all the parts. Kind of what we're going to do. And then this whole configuration is gonna mount with some straps directly on our forearm, right like this. We just finished cutting all of our blades down. This is gonna be the claws. Hey, we're just finishing up this last weld for this first set of claws. If you guys like this video, subscribe, like for more so we can keep doing what we're doing. So this is how we're gonna have it assembled. We have a little hole down here that we're going to connect to our pneumatic pump, and then everything on here is going to be connected. It is the next day. We have everything assembled. We've got our gas tank plugged into our actuator, plugged into our little switch, and now we're going to test it for the first time. I think I'm Wolverine now. This is pretty cool. Or just be walking downtown looking for crime. Leave a comment below to suggest what we should cut up with these.
All right, guys. These were the Wolverine arms. Now, I have to say, by far, this is the coolest thing you have built.
Oh, for sure.
And
so far,
that is true. Now, this is just Mark 1 version. We do plan on building a second pair.
Yes, and built into the actual Wolverine suit.
Yes, and we're going to do a lot more slicing and dicing with increased durability and sharpness.
Yes.
If you guys want to check out to see what this thing does, click right here on Landon's face. I'll make sure to link that video for you guys. This was a really insane build.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.